Are you making the most of your CTAs? Here's a little known tip that could make all the difference. As you may already be aware, call to actions can encourage your followers to take a specific action, such as visit your website or make a purchase. However, there's one catch. CTAs for engagement are great, but not timeless. When someone sees your content 2 months after you post it, the like or comment won't boost the post.
So what you always want to do is have a secondary call to action that links people back to your offers, links people back to your link in bio, links people to take a specific action, because that is evergreen. It is timeless.
Including the secondary CTA can generate leads and sales even long after the content is posted. Keeping a list of proven CTAs at your fingertips can streamline the process and help you save time with every new post. A helpful tool for this purpose is a caption template system offered by ZoomSphere, which provides a convenient repository for frequently used CTAs, hashtags, and text snippets. If you want to learn more, don't forget to check our blog. Like and follow us for more tips.